Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to place a bracket order in new Zerodha Kite app. I know many of you people know this, but for the people who don't know, this video is for you. So guys, before that, kindly go inside my channel and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get all the notification video of what I upload at instantly. And also go inside my channel and watch all the videos. It might be for a trading purpose, and subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge and strategies. Also guys, visit my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. This link will be given in the description below of this video, so you guys can visit this blogspot to know more about additional services what I provide. I do provide MCX and NSC course, so all the details have been mentioned here, and the course prices are very reasonable. Also you can see earning proof by my client after taking the course. Okay, you can see how consistently the clients are earning after taking my course, and 7 of my clients have won the Zerodha 60 days challenge. So every proof has been put up here. Okay, you can see all the ledgers. Okay, and you can also see the 60 days challenge winning certificate. So if you are interested to earn like this consistently in the market, you can definitely join my course. It's very simple. You can just message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and take my course and earn how you are seeing like this consistently. Okay, and also you can see feedback from my clients after taking the course, even that has been put up here. So you can see all these things. If you're interested to earn like this consistently in the market, you can definitely contact us. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with us and take the course. Okay, here is all the feedback from my clients and how they are recovering the profits. So even if you're beginner to the market, or if you're unable to make money consistently in the market, you can join me and I'll be teaching you how to make the money consistently. Okay, so this is all the screenshots, so you can go inside it and check it. As I said you, this blog link will be in the description below. So guys, now let's get to the topic. Now open the Kite app. So this is how the app looks. Okay, so now I'll be showing you how to place the orders. So firstly, you can select what stock you need to buy or sell. Okay, and click on the stock, and if you want to buy, click on buy. If you want to sell, click on sell. So now for example, I'll be showing you the Intelco stock buy. Go to select MIS and come here advance and give the BO order. Okay, and from SL click to limit, from the limit order to click to SL, that is stop loss buying, and enter your quantity here. Okay, so how much ever quantity you need to buy. Okay, so for example, let me buy 1000 quantity. Let me just input that. Okay, and in the price you need to input the price where you need to buy. Okay, and the trigger price. So here you can enter the price where you need to buy. Okay, so let me say now the stock is trading at 246.25, so I want to buy it at 247, so let me input 247. Okay, and in the trigger price you need to enter the price where you want to buy, and in the price you need to keep almost 10 to 5 paisa difference. Okay, and that's how it will get triggered. So let me just show you how to do that. So you can type here 247.10. so in between this your order will get triggered. So that's how it works. Okay, even when the big move happens, your order will get triggered. Now you need to enter your stop loss, how much you need to put as stop loss, and here you can put your target, how much you need to put your target, and also you can put your trailing stop loss if at all you're willing to do a trailing stop loss, and click on buy, and then you will get 10 confirmation. So if you click on confirm, your order will get triggered. So that's how it is to place a buy order in bracket order. Okay, so if you want to do the sell, so the same thing, go to click on any stock, go to sell, and the same way go to MIS, go to advanced BO, and here you should change things. So again enter the quantity, how much you wanna buy, how much you wanna sell. So let me input again 1000 quantity. So here again you should, now in the price you need to keep as difference. Okay, for example, if you now the stock is trading at 246, so if you want to sell at 245, so what you have to do is enter 245 here in the price, and in the trigger price keep the 10 paisa low, that is 249.90 or 249.95. okay, so that's how you place the order. And now keep the target and stop loss, you can set all these things, and if you're using trailing stop loss you can set that and click on sell, and then you get the confirmation and you can sell. So that's how you do a buy and sell in Zerodha Kite new app. Okay, the same thing can be followed in the computer also if you're trading. So hope this video was helpful for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Do give a like and subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge and strategy. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next one.